Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can launch an AI influencer and earn on Fanvue. So if you want to launch your own AI influencer and start earning on Fanvue, in this tutorial I'll show you the step how you can use Pykaso AI to create, set up and monetize your virtual influencer. So AI influencers are booming in 2025. They never get tired, can be used customized endlessly, and brands are paying big money to collaborate with them. And with platforms like Fanvue, you can turn your AI influencer into real income. So the first step that you need to do is head to the Pykaso AI, and you can just enter a detailed prompt for your influencer's look, style, outfit, and vibe. You can just click on this, create AI character, and you can generate multiple variations until you find your perfect digital persona. Don't forget that consistency is key, so you need to save a set of prompts and design rules for your AI model so every post has a cohesive style. Think fashion themes, lifestyle, or gaming. And after that, you can just go to Fanvue, and here you can create your profile by clicking on the sign up option. In here you can continue with your Google or X, or also use your emails. After that, you can just upload your influencer pics, write a catchy bio, and set subscription tiers, and start with affordable pricing to grow fans quickly. And don't forget to upload your Pykaso AI content consistently, 3 to 5 times a week. And use captions, stories, and behind-the-scenes style posts to boost engagement. So that's how you can launch your own AI influencer with Pykaso AI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.